Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You now have the number and country code. Start with an authoritative lookup. Enter the full digits into a telecom or number info tool and observe the carrier field. Once done, cross-check with a second service or a carrier lookup app to confirm. If the tool asks for location or type, supply only necessary country info. Make sure to note whether the result shows a mobile, VoIP, or landline designation, because that affects the next verification step. Now validate the prefix against the national numbering plan. This reveals the originally assigned operator and service type. Use two independent databases to catch ported numbers and reconcile differences. Once you see conflicting carrier names, test a harmless signaling method like sending an SMS or examining call routing on a telecom-aware app. These often expose the current operator. Make sure to log timestamp screenshots or results, because porting means finish by deciding which operator is the active network based on corroborated live data and recent timestamps. Save your evidence, screenshots, query timestamps, and tool names so you can justify conclusions. If results remain ambiguous, often due to number porting, contact the carrier shown by the most recent live test or reach out to the national regulator for definitive assignment. One troubleshooting tip: if tools disagree, clear caches and rerun lookups from different IP locations to avoid cached or geo-filtered data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.